In the name of who? Good morning. Good morning to all of you, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now is 12 minutes past 7 a.m. Friday, 24th of November 2023. This is the part 2 for the announcement that I did for you guys about last Friday, Sydney time. Euro USD, Pound Japan, Pound Canada, Gold, Bitcoin and Pound USD. This is part 2, which I'm going to upload very soon. Everything I have said, it came true, and I ticked them for you guys. Before I go to the chart, pause the video and read this. We go to New York just to for the confirmation of the time and date. As you can see, New York now is there on the Thursday. We are on the Friday. They are on time. Let me reload the time for you. New York now is 12 minutes past 3 p.m. They are 1 day behind us. We are in Sydney. Now is Friday. So we go to the YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram that we have. This is our YouTube channel. 6 days ago we announced for this pairs that I have mentioned to you guys, and now I'm gonna, this is part 1 as you can see, and I'm gonna go to the chart. We go one by one to see what happened. So let's see. First, Euro USD. We go to the chart. Euro USD. As I have mentioned to you guys that we had this buying zone, because this is green, and we mentioned to you guys we need to see price going above it and coming under it, and then it can buy to this level, which is happening already. When I make that video, the price was here, and I said price gonna go up to that level. Let me tick. This one was correct and went up all the way, and now price is here. But that was 6 days ago I announced. Let me explain one more thing to you guys. The hidden support and resistance that the software that we have, it gives us the very accurate level. When I'm talking about hidden support and resistance, those green dot or red dot, which I show you in past, I'm not gonna waste your time. This is green, so this will buy, and I make this horizontal line. So it's 6 days ago price was here, and I said price is going to go up to that level, and it went to that level. Why I'm repeating myself, I just want to show you. After 6 days, when price went up all the way, okay, watch this. When price hit that level, bounce back up again. Okay, so this hidden support and resistance that the software gave us, it's very strong, and when market hit TP1, it would bounce back up. 70% of the time market happened like this. So this is live chart and live account, and as you can see, the price is here right now. So then the announcement was correct. As you can see, I mentioned when I make the video, price was here, and I said price is going to go up, and it went hit that level anyway. So the next one was Pound Japan. Let's go to the Pound Japan. Pound Japan is here. When I announced it, I gave you those levels, and I said price is going to go up. And during the last week, I did a couple of trade with this Pound Japan. It was very interesting. We had an arrow here. I make another level, so I hit this level, and then announcement was for those levels. As you can see here, price came all the way down. The system I use, I have a different system as well, so I find the opportunity, so I enter to the trade. This is my trade, entry and exit, and you can see that here we were waiting for the arrow to enter. Okay, this is the arrow for buying. This is signal to buy. We put a virtual stop loss here, and as I mentioned before to you guys, when I put a stop loss, if the candlestick coming under it, the first one, if it's red, we don't close the trade. We will wait for the second candlestick. If it's red, then we close it. If it's green, we keep continue. As you can see, this is entry point again for the another level, for that level. So market went right up and hit that level. You might think, let me show you. I just highlight this. When we go to this, you can see that is the level 187.430. I highlighted for you. See, and after 7 days, you can see the price hit the level. And I had a couple of trade. I had one trade actually lost as well here. Because we had a green here, okay, and I saw it. I entered the trade. I put a stop loss, and this is my stop loss. The price went against me, but I wait for the recovery, and as you can see, another entry, and market went right up. So for this, in total, we could make it's about 264 pip, 2,600 point. So then what that was correct. Let me mark this one as well up for you guys. And then we had pound Canada. Let's see pound Canada. We had two scenarios, I believe. Let me show you. Pound Canada, we say 1 buy, 1 to sell. Okay, and these are the level. This is for the sell because we got that, and this one we got a green, we had for buy. Okay, for the sell, we say if the price going above this area. When I make the video, I said if the price goes above this area, then we can sell it to this level of 1.70879, and if price comes 100, we can buy it to this green line, which is 1.70805. When I make the video, the price was here 6 days ago, last Friday. Let's see what happened. Price came 100, but we did not receive any signal to buy to this level, so we did not enter to this trade. As you can see, I don't have any entry point, and I did not enter to any of this. And market went up, hit this level, but unfortunately we did not receive any signal. We did have a signal here, which I use it for my system, but I did miss this trade anyway. And the way I show you, I did not have any buying signal like this kind of the signal in this area to buy, but the prediction and the direction was correct, although I had a signal, but I missed this one, but the direction was correct. And then we said if price go above this area, which is our selling zone, we can sell it. Price went up to this area and gap down, and this is no more valid. We missed out this one, and it did not have any signal to sell anyway. And as you can see, we had a signal here which is not anymore valid because already price hit a level. But as you can see, again, I mentioned before for Euro USD, when price hit the TP1, bounced back up again after 7 days. Last Friday when I announced it, you see price came. I'll highlight this level for you. This is the level, you can see I highlighted. Okay, this is the level I gave you. I said if price come in, hit the level, this is our TP1, would bounce back up again. So when market came and hit this level, as you can see, bounce back up again. 7 days ago, 6 days ago, last Friday I mentioned, this is very strong level, hidden support and resistance in the past, and you can see the price right now is here. And now today is Friday 24th of November. So that one was correct. Let me mark this one up too. So that is for the pound Canada. Let's see what they have. Then we have pound USD. Let me check pound USD for you. Pound USD. So pound USD, I mentioned when we actually make the video, we said the price was here, there was nothing, no price, anything here. I said if price come into this area, then we can sell it to this level. Okay, if the price come into this area, we can buy it to those levels. All right, let's see. Price came to this area and bounced back up again, did not come into the buying zone. This one still is valid. Okay, if the price in future come into this area, we can buy to this level anyway. As you can see, price went up to the selling zone, as I have mentioned to you guys, on this level, and we had an arrow and it hit the level. We had twice. I missed this trade, which was not worth it to enter anyway. 1, 2, 3 signal to sell. Okay, let's see. Again, market hit that level again, bounce back up again, and the price is here right now today. So that was 7 days ago I announced, and market hit that level. Let me mark it up. I was correct. Okay, for this, as I have mentioned, still this is valid for the buy, this green 2 line. If price come in next week sometimes, just mark it for your chart as a demo account. You will see this is still valid for the buy, although this one touch it and bounce back again, but it doesn't matter. If the price come in to this area of buying zone, which is here, if the price come into this buying zone, then we can buy it if we get a signal to buy. Okay, like this green arrow in this area. So that was correct. So that's for pound USD. Let's see what we had. We have gold. Let me go to the gold for you guys. So gold, we mentioned we had 2 levels, 1 to buy, 1 to sell, as you can see here. Let's go to the chart. When I make the video, the price was here. You can double check with the video here. Sorry, with this video, you can see everything here. I cannot change the time and date and anything, because when you upload it, it's there forever. So we mentioned that if the price goes up and coming down, if this is the price going up to those levels, coming down, we can buy it. Okay, and if the price coming to this area and goes above in this area, we can sell it. All right, the price went up to that level. Okay, we did not have signal arrow, red arrow to sell, but we had this signal which I could sell it. I missed out, but we had a signal here. That is the entry point for this level. Okay, let me actually check this as well. I was correct. And I had another level I find it last week myself, that was for buying. The price came here, I enter again for this level. That is my entry point. I did a couple of trades for the gold last week, and this one is still valid. I'm in it, and I put a stop loss. I'm selling it to this level, which is, I mentioned to you guys 7 days ago. Okay, why I'm doing this? This is for selling as well. So price has to come 100, go above it. Price came 100, goes above it, and then we had a signal to sell, and I actually sell, and it's going to come down to this level. Okay, if you enter into the point, so put your taking profit TP1 on here. If you enter, put a stop loss here. This is your stop loss. Okay, I am in it, and I put a virtual stop loss in case if price goes against me above here. and if you have red candlestick, I will wait for the second one. If the second one is still is red, I close it in loss, and I will wait for another opportunity to recover. And this is the stop loss, and I am in it, in this trade. Last week I did a couple of trades. You can see all this my trade, but anyway, we are aiming for this TP1. This is here. Let me change this one. This is my TP1 and TP2, and eventually market would come and hit this level. These are the level TP1, TP2 and TP3. But normally when I hit the TP1, I get out of the trade immediately because market bounce back up again. And then, so this one was correct as well. And then we had Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin. So when I announced it, the price was here, and I said market is going to go up, hit this level of 36,242. That was 6 days ago, and market went right up. So that one was correct, as I have mentioned to you guys. This TP1 and TP2 hit the level. And I did a couple of trades on this one as well last week. Let me show you my entry. I find during the week this selling zone, the price need to be coming 100, which came 100, and I make this markup for myself. If the price goes to this area, we can sell it, and I did actually enter. I use another system. I entered the trade for this, and market hit a level. So this is my another trade with a profit, but I use other platform. So for this as well, for the Bitcoin. So the price was here when I make the video, and the price went up and hit those levels as I have mentioned to you. So everything I have said last week, Friday Sydney time, came true. This is part 2 for those pairs and Bitcoin and the gold. In the name of who, before I go, please pause the video and repeat this. We are not signal company. We are not responsible for your action. We are not asking you for telephone number, email, membership, or anything as such. So it's all up to you. If you like to learn how to trade, please go to our channel, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. We upload the video for you in advance, and I give you level and all those TP1 and TP2 with a stop loss. You can try it on your demo account. If you learn how to trade, it's all up to you. Do it first with demo, and then you do it with the real account. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Everything we said came true. Thanks God, Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.